Can I track a laptop using its serial number?
Hello and welcome to our informational video. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic. Can I track a laptop using its serial number? It's a common question, especially in situations where a laptop might be lost or stolen. We'll dive into this topic and provide you with comprehensive answers.
What is a laptop serial number?
To start, let's understand what a laptop serial number is. A serial number is a unique identifier assigned by the manufacturer to each laptop during production. It's typically used for warranty purposes and to distinguish your specific device from others of the same model.
Can serial numbers be used for tracking?
The question then arises, can we use these unique identifiers for tracking? The straightforward answer is no. You cannot directly track a laptop using its serial number. Serial numbers aren't designed to share location information, and there's no universal database that links them to the current location of laptops. However, they can be helpful in certain situations, such as when reporting a stolen device to law enforcement or your laptop's manufacturer.
How can you track a lost or stolen laptop?
If you can't track your laptop using a serial number, what can you do if it's lost or stolen? Well, there are a few methods available. 1. Pre-installed tracking software. Some laptops come with pre-installed software like Apple's Find My service or Microsoft's Find My device capability in Windows. These services use the laptop's internet connection and location services to provide a rough estimate of its location. 2. Third-party tracking software. There are also third-party applications you can install that offer similar tracking capabilities. However, remember these need to be installed before your laptop is lost or stolen. Remember, if your laptop is stolen, it's important to report the theft to local law enforcement and provide them with the serial number. If your laptop is recovered, the serial number will be used to verify and return it to you. In conclusion, while a serial number can't be used directly to track a laptop's location, it's still an important piece of information that can assist in the recovery process if your device is lost or stolen. Always keep a record of it and make sure to use built-in or third-party tracking software to help locate your laptop if necessary. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify your doubts. Stay safe and keep your devices secure.